Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn chapter 19 and 20, renowned places and special places. So let's get started with first chapter, chapter 19, renowned places. Now what do you mean by renowned? It means widely known or famous places. Okay, places are associated with people and lots of incidents that happened from time to time. So let's move on with our exercise. Match the column A, renowned places, and the column B, concerned person it is associated with. Okay, persons or things, like any kind of incidents that happened. Write the correct number of the column B in the boxes given in column A. Here I am sharing answers with you. First, Tower of London, King William. Here is Tower of London. Now, how it is associated with King William? It was built by William as a symbol of new ruling class or group. Second, Mecca, Prophet Muhammad. Here you can see the image of Mecca. Now, Muhammad, the founder of Islam, was born in Mecca. Since then, it became a sacred religion place for Muslims. Third, White House, official residence of the President of USA. This is the official residence. Now, Jallianwala Bagh. It is some incident happened here. This is a place, Jallianwala Bagh. Okay. Now, what incident happened there? Massacre of Indians by British soldiers. Massacre means mass killing. Understood? So many people were killed. So, massacre of Indians by British soldiers. Here you can see how they all are shooting. Now, on 13th April 1919, people gathered at Jallianwala Bagh, Amritsar, to protest against the arrest of, protest means to go against, okay, of the two nationalist leaders, Satyapal and Dr. Saifuddin Kichlu. Suddenly, a British military officer, General Dyer, ordered to fire at the crowd. About 1,000 persons were killed. That is very clear from this picture. Many people were killed. Next, Ayodhya. We all know Ayodhya. It is birthplace of Lord Ram. Ayodhya, set on the banks of the Sarayu River, is a mythical city. It is said to have been the capital of the Kosala kingdom, which saw the birth of Lord Ram. Next, Anand Bhavan, Jawaharlal Nehru. Here you can see this is Anand Bhavan. Now, how it is associated with Jawaharlal Nehru? The Anand Bhavan is a historic house museum in Allahabad, India, focusing on the Nehru family. Seventh, Porbandar, Mahatma Gandhi. It is a birthplace of Mahatma Gandhi, born on October 2nd, 1869 in Porbandar, India. Sarnath, Gautam Buddha. Sarnath is a small village in Uttar Pradesh. Gautam Buddha first taught the Dharma. That's why this place is famous for Dharma. Question number 9, Hiroshima. Now this question is related to question number 11, Pearl Harbor. You see that Japan surprise attack on American naval base during World War II. So first Japan, they attacked America. Understood? And as a part of retaliation, America also dropped the world's first atomic bomb over the Japanese city of Hiroshima. Next, 10th, Macedonia. Alexander the Great. Alexander the Great was an ancient Macedonian ruler and one of history's greatest military minds who, as king of Macedonia, established the largest empire, was very strong, and he established a very big kingdom because he was full of military mind. 12th question, Jerusalem, Jesus Christ. Jerusalem is a place where Jesus preached, died and was resurrected. Resurrected means पुनर्जन्म हुआ था, फिर से जन्म लिया. Understood? Next, Puducherry, Sri Aurobindo Ghosh. The Sri Aurobindo Ghosh ashram is a spiritual community. Spiritual means what? Leading us towards God. Understood? The spiritual community located in Pondicherry in the Indian territory of Puducherry. Here you can see ashram, Sri Aurobindo Ghosh ashram. Next, Haldi Ghati, Maharana Pratap. It is related to Maharana Pratap. The Battle of Haldi Ghati was a battle fought on 18th June 1576 between Maharana Pratap and the Mughal Emperor of Akbar's forces. Here you can see Haldi Ghati. Do you know why it is known as Haldi Ghati? Because the Ghati over there is in yellow color. Understood? And that's why it is symbolized as Haldi Ghati. Next, 15th, Jama Masjid, Shah Jahan. Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan built the Jama Masjid between 1650 and 1656. Next, Fatehpur Sikri, Akbar. Fatehpur Sikri, a city predominantly means mainly, is in red sandstone, was built by the Mughal Emperor Akbar. Next, Talwandi. This Talwandi is a village in Punjab. Guru Nanak. According to Sikh traditions, the birth and early years of Nanak's life were marked with many events that demonstrated that Nanak had been blessed with divine grace. Understood? कुछ उसमें चमत्कार है. Understood? Blessed with God's grace. Next chapter, chapter 20, special places. Now, some places are given special names, like for example, school. For what you come to school? To gain knowledge. Understood? So, some places are given some special names according to the purpose. What is the purpose? Why you come to school? In order to gain knowledge. So, accordingly they are given special names. So, that's what we are going to learn in this chapter. Names and special its purpose and its special name. So, read the following statements and write the correct names in the blanks. Answers. A part of building in which the audience sits, auditorium. A building in which nuns live. Nuns mean sisters, convent. A building in which monks live. Monks means sannyasi, sadhu, sant, monastery. A place where water is stored, reservoir. A home for children who are orphans. Orphans means who don't have parents, who don't have anyone to take care of them. So that place is known as orphanage. Next, a room or a hall with equipment for physical exercise. Gymnasium, where you keep yourself fit and fine, isn't it? You do exercise. A place where dead body are or dead people are burnt. Crematorium. A kitchen in a ship or an aircraft. Galley. Here you can see the image of galley. It is a special name given. Why? Because it is a kitchen in a ship or an aircraft. Next, a place where bricks are made. Kiln. Here you can see where bricks are made. Next, a place where coins are manufactured. Mint. Next, a place where bees are kept. Apiary. Here you can see apiary. Next, a hospital for the care of mentally ill people, mentally retarded people. Understood? They are not mentally well. So, asylum. Next, a room or building in which machines etc. are made or repaired. Workshop. A sheltered place where a wild animal regularly sleeps or rests. Lay. Here you can see a hall where it is a regular place, resting place for the animals. Next, a separate part or a room in a hospital for a particular group of patients. Ward. Only patients are kept there. Understood? a place where ships are built and repaired. Dockyard. Here you can see the image of dockyard. That's all for today. Go through it. See you next time.